Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you how our famous Coca-Cola is made from start to finish. So stay tuned until the end. Until the end.
All batch information has been updated. Quality check is verified complete.
Heat tunnel output confirmed. Handles are secure. Release for packing. Dispatch.
Check the weight distribution here. See that variance?
Scan complete. Destination verified. Ready for dispatch. Quality check complete. Ready for dispatch.
All right, secure that last pallet tight. Manifest looks good. You're clear to roll out.
Hi, I have the cola delivery.
Yeah.
Okay, you can head back to the beverage aisle. Ensure all the red labels are facing forward and organized by size. Once you're done, please wipe barrants.
Check the count on these bottles.
Will do. Moving them now.
Cola ever.
Pizza just isn't the same without a Coca-Cola.
This is the best.
Oh, now you know the secret behind the taste. We take pride in every bottle, from the first drop of water to the final sip you enjoy. Thanks for watching.